Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Heronbrook Farm Kitchen. It is fantastic to have you here as always, and today we're going to be making some incredible, simple wholemeal rolls. Okay, before we jump in and start making these delicious wholemeal rolls, which you're going to absolutely love, let me talk to you a little bit about some exciting news from the kitchen. So what we're trying to do today, first time in a new style of production, is we're going to make the videos a lot shorter, hopefully a lot punchier. We've improved the lighting and we've got a couple more camera angles, which will hopefully make it all a lot more interesting for you. The other thing is we're recording now everything in 4K, which is going to make it a lot crispier and a lot more attractive to look at. Okay, let's talk about these amazing wholemeal rolls. We've made a batch of 8. They're absolutely delicious, warm, fresh from the oven. You're going to absolutely love them. Let's jump in and take a look at the ingredients. You're going to need 350 grams of strong white flour, 150 grams of wholemeal flour, 10 grams of baker's yeast, crumbled, 10 grams of sea salt, 330 grams or 330 millilitres of water, straight from the tap, and finally 15 grams of rapeseed oil. Okay, let's get these combined. All of the flour straight into the bowl, and the salt, and we just give that a bit of a whirl with the spatula, and then all of the yeast into the water. Whisk that up with the mini whisk. Try not to spill it everywhere. There we go, lovely. Pour that in on top. Onto the stand mixer. Dough hook on. And we are going to mix this on a slow speed until it just comes together, and then 7 minutes on a fast speed. We'll put a little drop of oil in, and then another 3 minutes, and then we'll get it turned out. Fantastic. So I'm just going to get a wee bit of oil down on the table. We'll get some in the bowl. And we'll just give that a rub round. We certainly don't want to be adding any more flour at this stage. There we go, super. So we'll get her turned out. It's quite sticky, not too bad. The last bit out there. Okay, so you just want to work it round into a nice ball. Beautiful. Something like that. And we'll just drop that in the bowl. So I'm going to cover this with cling film. I'm going to sit it on the side over there for about 90 minutes to do its first rise, and then we'll get it turned out, cut into rolls. It's going to be fabulous. Okay, all proved, looking marvellous. So what we're going to do now is get it divided into rolls. Smells amazing. So we just need a wee bit of shape in this. There we go. And we're just going to weigh out just over 100 grams per roll. So we'll whisk through this bit. There we go. Fabulous. So they're going to sit over there for about an hour, covered with a linen cloth, and then we'll get them in the oven. Okay, all proved beautifully, look amazing. As you can see, all we need to do now is slash them. The oven's preheating, 220 degrees. Let's cut the tops and get them in. Okay, straight into the middle of the oven. Turn it down to 200, and then we'll give it 2 hits of steam. It's going to stay in there for 14 minutes, then we'll get them out. Okay, that's it. Timer's gone off. Let's get them out. They look beautiful. Okay, there we go. We'll just get them onto the cooling rack. 8 perfect rolls. They will be ready to eat in about an hour. Right, we're done. Still warm from the oven. I couldn't resist. I've broken one open already. They smell absolutely amazing, slightly nutty. And listen to the crunch. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait. Let me have a little taste. It's warm, it's nutty, it's sweet, it's absolutely delicious. You're going to absolutely love it. So thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new style of slightly shorter, punchier video. I hope you like the 4K, the slightly better lights, the different camera angles. If you did enjoy it, please do consider giving us a like, give us a subscribe. It really helps with us keeping the channel going. Would you believe we've been going less than 12 months, we're already up to nearly 2,000 subscribers. So please do hit that button, join along with us. Thank you ever so much for your time, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.